This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kevin Mize. Live at the crossroads of luxury and leisure at a renowned golf and tennis resort. This beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 3-bath home boasts a spacious open floor plan with soaring ceilings, exposed beams, and wood accents full of charm. The expansive kitchen includes granite countertops, ample cabinetry, and an indoor grill with professional ventilation. Large windows invite natural light and scenic views of the lush, meticulously maintained landscaping. The primary suite features a spa-style bath with a walk-in shower, standalone tub, dual vanities, stone counters, and a private water closet. Enjoy evenings on the screened lanai with brick pavers and serene vistas. Epoxy-finished garage included tons of built-in storage cabinetry. Make sure you view the 3D walkthrough.